Welcome to Astrofox, the YouTube channel. So today we'll see the remedial. So I said this week, like every Thursday, we will have some remedies. Okay, working remedies which you can do at your place. Okay, and today I'll discuss about lamp. Okay, so you all know, like we lit the lamp in temples, in our house, or wherever we visit. But the problem is every place has its own significance. For example, if you're visiting Rao temple, you need to visit so much number of lamps. If you visit Guru temple, then you need to visit so much number of lamps. Okay, why I am saying this? For example, whenever I give a consultation and I suggest a client to go to a particular temple, let us assume some Navagara temple in Kumbakonam, Guru temple or Tirupampuram. They say, sir, already we went some time back, sir. Yes. But if I ask the procedure what you did, they'll know, sir, we did one Archana and we came back. Or we went and we made a Abhishekam and came back. Understand? Going to that place, of course, that Kshetra Mahima is there. I am not denying it. But when you do the proper things, then definitely you get that kind of result for that accordingly. Okay, so that is the purpose of putting this video. And one more thing, even when you go to Tirunalar, many people will tell, sir, every Saturn transit I go to Tirunalar. But let me tell you something, in Tirunalar Saturn transit they don't take this Drikkanit into consideration. Okay, they take only Vakya Panjangam into consideration. So that is also very important. As per Tirunalar, there is no Saturn transit till now. Okay, that is celebrated only in this year December end. So it's actually a year difference between what is with Drik Panjang and celebrated in Tirunalar. Okay, and Tirunalar you cannot visit every time you want to visit. Okay, if you want to visit Tirunalar after marriage, there is certain period time, like 2 years of time period, you are not supposed to visit Tirunalar after your marriage. If you are visiting, there are certain negative implications. Okay, and there are huge positive implications when you visit during certain period of time. And how you take dip in the Nalatirtham. Okay, all those things have different things. When you do with such kind of correct procedure, then definitely you will see a huge success. Okay, that is what I keep saying. If you say you have gone previously, you are lit lamp, I will done it like this. Was the procedure followed exactly like this? Then they say, no, sir, they didn't guide us like that. They just said go to Navagara temples, right? So whenever you do things in a right and appropriate way, just like how you take the medicine in a proper dosage. If you take it less, it becomes inadequate. If you take it more, it becomes overdosage. Of course, bhakti overdosage is also welcome, but provided you do it in the right way. So now today let me give you the idea of how many lamps to lamp for everything. And most importantly, people also do ask for marriage delay and childbirth, everything. Okay, so in this part of video, what I'll try to cover is number of lamps, if possible the auspicious time, everything I'll try to do. In the next part of video, some other day, okay, I'll try to tell you like what kind of lamp, like whether you need to use cotton wig, how many wigs you need to use, direction, what is the appropriate oil, those things also I'll try to cover. Okay, so having said that, let us get into the topic. If you want to do any sadhana towards Lord Shiva, right, then you should lamp 11 number of lamps. So 11 lamps is the correct number. This you can do on Pradosham if you don't know any proper other timings, anything like that. So every Pradosham time you can go to the Shiva temple and you can light 11 lamps. Okay, then very soon, like whatever is your wish, you are praying towards Lord Shiva, that will get fulfilled very soon. And if you want to do something to Guru Bhagwan, maybe not everyone is possible to travel to Alangudi Gurukshetram, but in your place itself, where we have this Dakshinamurti, right? There also you can lamp 33 lamps probably in morning Guru or on Thursday 6 to 7 a.m. it will be good. Okay, so along with this lamping of this 33, you can tie a white cloth dipped in turmeric and tie to the people tree 3 times. Okay, you keep doing it for 21 weeks. Definitely you will find a excellent result if there is a particular objective you want to accomplish and it is getting delay, especially from work perspective. And if you think you are having lot of debts and there is kind of black magic or what you call it as buri nazar, all those things, then for 9 weeks you lit lamp to Durga in Tuesdays at 3 to 4:30 p.m. in the evening in Durga temple. Okay, this you do for 41 weeks. Okay, then definitely you will find success. And if you are having some kind of issues with respect to job or some kind of sudden things are cropping up, then you can more appropriate this remedy will be for people who are running sadesati. Okay, for job, because it will be majorly either Ketu's affliction to Saturn, so that needs to be pacified. So people who are running this sadesati or running Saturn being a badaka or maraka for that particular lagna, they can lamp 9 lamps for Saturn in what do you say, sesame oil. Okay, that will give them a good results. Okay, they have to do it for every Saturday till that sadesati is getting over. Okay, and Rahu 21 times. This what you can do is if you visit to Tirunageshwaram or any Rahu Sthalam, it is fine. If you are not able to visit, then what you can do is you can lamp in your house on Sundays 4:30 to 6 o'clock at the center of the house. Okay, what we call it Brahmasthanam. This lamp should face either north or east direction. In that direction you can keep this lamp and you can do it for 48 weeks. And Sarpadosham, okay, this you have to go and do it in Rahu temple or Tirupamburam. You have to light the lamp. Okay, and if that is not possible, the same thing whatever I said for Rahu you can follow for Sarpadosham as well as Kala Sarpadosham. Okay, and Kalatra dosham is also same, but if you want to do it 108 lamps, definitely I would request you to go to any Rahu Pariyara Sthalam. Okay, and go and lamp there at least once there. Okay, after that maybe we can lamp 21 lamps on Sundays at 4:30 to 6 p.m. in your house. Okay, for Kalatra dosham. For marriage, first you go to the Rahu Sthalam, Ketu Sthalam, then you go to Tirupamburam. After visiting all these 3 temples and doing the Shanti Puja Tirupamburam, then you come back home. Okay, then you start lighting the 21 lamps what I said, or for this Kala Sarpa dosham, okay, or Ragu dosham. Then slowly definitely this marriage will get fixed. Okay, so keep trying it. Okay, don't say, sir, will it definitely get? Yes, it has worked for many people in my 15 years of experience. Okay, so only I am suggesting you this kind of remedy. Okay, and when the horoscope is having too much of karmic package and something else, everything, you may put more devotion. Okay, but if it is something beyond some specific homam should be needed, some yagna should be needed, or some 3 months of rigorous puja needs to be done to the client, and then we need to send the prasad to them, that's a different case. Just like how you take a over the counter medicine for any medical problem, sometimes you need not visit a doctor at all. Okay, you just go and take a paracetamol, you'll be okay by morning. Okay, but there are some times where you need a doctor and doctor needs to do that intervention. He needs to give you a antibiotic or antipyretic, or sometimes even a surgery is needed, right? So even the remedies also are like that. Most of the things with common things with this lamp remedy, you will be able to find it. Okay, but if it is beyond this, okay, then you need to check your horoscope with a concerned professional astrologer who is also well versed in this remedial part with a proper knowledge. Then definitely that can be guided and that can be done. Okay, so why I am saying all this is because you should have that faith and devotion. Either you do it by yourself or you want to get it done by somebody else, you have to test the quality and see the testimonials of their performance or whatever they have learned. Okay. And marriage delay is also, you have to lamp 21 lamps, and for this you have to visit a temple, Thirumanam Cheri. For this Thirumanam Cheri procedure, everything I will let you know. Okay. And finally, for the childless couple, I have already told you the temple, that is Garbharakshikambika temple. Along with that, we can do this also. Understood? So the whole reason, always remember, these are only general remedies. Okay, but it doesn't mean these are only general remedies, they will not work. Okay, these have been tested, time tested remedies which have been done, and people have got effort. Okay, so do with full faith and devotion, you will definitely get results. Sometimes a horoscope may need further effort from a Sastri. That's a different category. Those things will only follow under 20% of the category. Okay, remaining 80% of the horoscopes, they can do things on your own. And this is just the one part of the remedial series we are launching. More and more remedies which can be like more specific to a particular horoscope, like for example some Lagnam and some Dasha Bhukti is running. How to do that? For example, for Mesha Lagna, if somebody is running particular negative Dasha like Badakadipati Saturn Dasha, what he has to do? But for example, if a Rishabha Lagna person is running Saturn Dasha, what he has to do? For both of them, Saturn becomes a Badakadipati, being 11th and 9th Lord. Okay, but the impact will be different. Understand? But if it is for Tula Lagna, that Saturn, they don't have to do remedy for negativity, but for to increase the auspiciousness, they may need to do different way. Okay, all those things I'll discuss in the coming remedial classes. So I hope this small remedy is helpful for you all. And anything you have any doubt, kindly put in the comments column. Okay, so I'll definitely respond it if it is relevant. Thank you.